Hello my dear students, how are you? I hope all are good. Today let me start GK Unit 2, The World of Science, Chapter number 8, Coronavirus COVID-19. Coronavirus uh, Coronavirus are a large family of viruses which may cause illness in animals or humans. So in humans, several coronaviruses are known to cause respiratory infections ranging from the common cold to more severe diseases such as Middle East respiratory syndromes, MERS, and severe acute respiratory syndrome. The most recently discovered coronavirus causes coronavirus disease COVID-19. Now, next, COVID-19 is the infections diseases caused by the most recently discovered coronavirus. This new virus and diseases were unknown before the outbreak began in Wuhan, China in December 2019. Symptoms of COVID-19. The most common symptoms of COVID-19 are fever, tiredness, and dry cough. Some patients may have aches and pains, nasal congestion, runny nose, sore throat, or diarrhea. So these symptoms are usually mild and begin gradually. Some people become infected but don't develop any symptoms and don't feel unwell. Most people, about 80%, recover from the diseases without needing special treatment. Around 1 out of every 6 people who gets COVID-19 becomes seriously ill and develops difficulty breathing. Older people and those with underlying medical problems like high blood pressure, heart problems, or diabetes are likely to develop serious illness. So people with fever, cough, and difficulty breathing should seek medical attention. COVID-19 spread. People can catch COVID-19 from others who have the virus. This disease can spread from person to person to small droplets from the nose or mouth, which are spread when a person with COVID-19 coughs or exhales. So these droplets land on objects and surfaces around the person. Other people then catch COVID-19 by touching these objects or surfaces and then touching their eyes, nose, or mouth. People can also catch COVID-19. They breathe in droplets from a person with COVID-19. If they breathe in droplets from a person, so with COVID-19 who coughs out or exhales droplets. So this is why it is important to stay more than 1 meter, 3 feet away from a person who is sick. So studies to date suggest that virus that causes COVID-19 is mainly transmitted through contact with respiratory droplets rather than through the air. So see previous answer on how does COVID-19 spread. So the main way the disease spreads is through respiratory droplets expelled by someone who is coughing. Okay, so the risk of catching COVID-19 from someone with no symptoms at all is very low. However, many people with the COVID-19 experience only mild symptoms. This is particularly true at the early stages of the disease. It is therefore possible to catch COVID-19 from someone who has, for example, just a mild cough and does not fall ill. So everyone, the chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 9. The Earth Tremor. In 2007, when a major earthquake hit Peru, it claimed hundreds of human lives. So the displaced families and the government are still grappling to bring life back on track. So pressures from within the earth. Okay, so number 1. The Earth's crust is made up of tectonic plates which constantly move over the molten inner mantle. Okay. जो टेक्टोनिक प्लेट होती है वो मूव करती है इधर उधर. Pressures from within the earth strain the tectonic plates more along folds, fracture the earth's surface, thereby releasing energy. The plates slip and slide in opposite directions along this fracture in the rock, shaking the ground above this cause earthquake. Earthquake often cause ground movements, other surface effects including changes in the flow of groundwater, landslides, and mud flows. Earthquakes can cause damage to infrastructure and loss of human lives. So dear students, the chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 10. Measurements. Write the correct option from the help box for which these given instruments are used. Number 1, ammeter. Option is E, electric current in a circuit. So हम यहाँ पे लिखेंगे E. Number 2, hydrometer. Option is F. It is specific gravity. Number 3, anemometer. Option is C. It is speed of wind. C, speed of wind. 4, seismometer. Question number 4, option is G, motions of the ground. 5, spirometer. It is B, volume of air inspired and expired by the lungs. So option is B. Number 6, radar gun. Option is D, speed of moving object. Number 7, light meter. Light meter, so option is I, amount of light. Hygrometer, option H, it is relative humidity. And number 9, altimeter, it is option is A, altitudes. ये altitude मापने के काम आता है. Okay? So dear students, the chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 11. The virtual world. Virtual reality is a computer program in which the user of a computer game or show does not just watch but is able to take part and interact with the program. So, have you played, for example, computer games? Okay, so where can you can fly a virtual plane. You can actually control the direction in which the plane will fly or land. So, you can experience when the plane passes through turbulence when you start to fly the virtual plane. The monitor will show just what a real aeroplane's view screen would show when it begins to climb. So everything feels almost real. Next, number 2. Virtual reality programs give you 3 important powers: to feel completely involved, to navigate, and to control. Okay, all this is to make the world created by the computer feel real enough. Okay, so to generate this feeling, some programs would require to wear headphones or 3D glasses or to use special controllers or foot pedals. Other tools that can be used are joystick, tracking balls, motion tracking, body suits, and treadmills. Number 3, virtual reality programs also create a world in which you can navigate or move as realistically as in the real world. For example, if you are in a virtual town, so a street in the town will always look the same. So whenever you visit it, this is exactly what happens in a real versus not. You can meet other computer-generated people who will interact with you like real people. Number 4. Many movies have been based on the ideas and concepts behind virtual reality, such as the Matrix trilogy and the Tron Legacy. All these movies ask us to question what our reality is and where we draw the line between the real world and the virtual world. So students, the chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 12. Space is a mysterious place, but there are plenty of things we are sure about when it comes to the vast space that surrounds us here on Earth. So this quiz will get you think about the fascinating topics of space. So test your knowledge of planets, stars, moons, and more space-related trivia. Number 1, which is the only planet that rotates clockwise? It is Uranus. Number 2, tiny particles streaming from the sun in all directions. When they fall into the Earth's atmosphere at the poles, so they create a shimmery colored glow in the sky. So this is aurora borealis, due to which natural field does this take place. Okay, so this is Earth magnetic field. Earth magnetic field. Identify this astronomical body named after Edmund Halley. When was it last seen from the Earth? So answer 3 is Halley's Comet. Which planet is colored pale yellow? Saturn. Number 5. Name Saturn's largest moon. Titan. Which planet will float if put in water? Saturn. No, number 6. Yes, Saturn. This is an overhead shot of Olympus Mons. It is the largest volcanic mountain in space, 600 km wide and 27 km high. So where would you find it? Mars. Which was the first planet to be discovered using the telescope? Uranus. So dear students, the chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 30. Phenomenal physics. Answer these questions to find out whether you have your basics of physics right. Question number 1. Which alloy made of aluminium, nickel and cobalt is used to make permanent magnet? It is Alnic. What is the repetitive motion that moves back and forth through one central position called? Harmonic. Question number 3. Who discovered gravity and came up with 3 laws to describe its behavior? Sir Isaac Newton. If an object is balanced on the length of board, what type of energy does it possess? It is potential energy. Who? Number 5. Is it true the mass and weight of an object remain the same under all conditions? False. Because mass, same weight differs. Number 6. What is the term for the bending of light when it passes through different dentists? Refraction. The speed of sound travels fastest in which state of matter? The speed of sound travel. State of matter, solid, mercury. Which metal is liquid at room temperature?
Some.
The speed of sound travels fastest in which state of matter? Solid. Which metal is liquid at room temperature? 8. Mercury. So the answer is Mercury. Who discovered the use of current electricity? Benjamin Franklin. Name the substance that does not allow heat or electricity to pass through insulator. So everyone, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 40. Chapter number 14, Scientist. 1. Who was the project head of Chandrayaan 3? Joseph Priestley. In 1960, Theodore Mammon invented the first laser. Name the scientist who invented light bulb. Edison. Thomas Alva Edison. Which pair of scientists first split the atom? Otto Hahn. Fritz. Otto Hahn, Fritz. Which scientist devised the law of planetary motion? Kepler. Name the Indian called the father of modern plastic surgery. Sushruta. Name the first woman scientist to receive the Nobel Prize. Marie Curie. Fritz Haber developed a process for the synthesis of which gas? Ammonia. Ammonia. Okay. So everyone, the chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 50. Ology. 1. The study of insect. Entomology. The study of skin. Dermatology. The study of cats. Phallinology. The study of earth. Geology. the study of water, hydrology. The study of mammals, mammalogy. Mammalogy. The study of ants. Minecology. The study of birds, ornithology.
Is
Number 9, the study of dogs, cynology. Okay, next number 10, the study of bees, apiology. The study of Mars, archaeology. The study of hearing, audiology. The study of food, bromatology. The study of life, biology. Okay? So everyone, this chapter is in here. Now, let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 60. Earthquake occur when huge masses of rock plates move or collide below the Earth's surface. The shifting masses of rocks send out shock waves called seismic waves that cause the tremors of an earthquake. So devastating earthquakes can cause immense loss of life and property. After the 1906 San Francisco earthquake, fires burned for 3 days. Can you think of ways in which human activities may lead to an earthquake? So, a tsunami is a powerful, large and destructive water wave and one of the most feared natural disasters. So, known to man. These waves pack enough energy to destroy an entire coastal community in moments. So, underwater earthquakes and volcanic eruptions are the most common causes of tsunamis. So, the deadliest tsunami recorded in history, the shores of the Indian Ocean in 2004, killing about 150,000 people. Hurricanes. Hurricanes are giant spiraling and severe tropical storms that move at speeds of more than 119 km per hour. 119 km per hour. So these tropical storms begin as disturbances in warm oceans, waters, and becomes hurricanes when the wind speed reaches 121 km per hour. So these tropical storms are also called cyclones or typhoons. In 1900, about 8,000 people lost their lives when the island city of Galveston in the USA was destroyed by a hurricane. So more recently, in 2005 Hurricane Katrina caused huge damage of life and property. So find out how hurricanes are named in the USA. Tornadoes are vertical funnels of rapidly spinning air. The wind in a tornado may reach a speed of up to 500 km per hour. So tornadoes can suck in and spin rocks, trees, part of buildings, and even cars and animals. So as the tornado moves along, it rips up and destroys everything in its path. Avalanches occur when massive slabs of snow break loose and race downhill rapidly. An avalanche is more likely to happen on a slope without trees. So during World War I, about 50,000 soldiers died in Avalkent in the Alps. It is believed that the Avlanak war caused by artillery fire. Stories of disastrous flood have been told since ancient times, so floods can be dangerous and destructive, killing or injuring millions. In the 1931 China floods, more than 3.5 million people died. So the deadliest kinds of floods are flash floods caused by sudden heavy rainfall or a broken dam. A shortage of rain over a long period of time, जब पानी की बहुत ज्यादा कमी हो जाती है लंबे समय तक, so may lead to drought, सूखा पड़ता है. फिर droughts can cause water shortage, crop damage and depletion of groundwater. They affect plants, animals and people. So the Dust Bowl of the early 1930s regarded as the worst drought in America history. Sometimes human actions may also lead to a drought situation. Find out the ways in which our activities can result in a drought. Now it's time to quiz. Question number 1. Dash plates move against each other and cause earthquakes. Tectonic. Option is A. On which planet have the strongest wind of the solar system been recorded? Option is C. Neptune. Question number 3. The hot molten rocks that flows out of a volcano is called, it is lava. The Richter scale measures the intensity of dash. Option is C. Earthquake. Question number 5. The topography of a place affect forest fire. Fire spread quickly, dash and slowly. And option is A. Uphill and downhill. Option is A. Okay. So everyone, the chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 70. Living better. Read the clues and write which practice or therapy is being described in each of them. So pick your answer from the help box. Number 1. This therapeutic practice deals with inserting very fine needles into the skin to stimulate specific points in the body. So name this practice. It is acupuncture.
Yeah. Bo. Wale.
Number 2. This therapy involves the use of magnets to increase energy flow through the body. It is done by making the patient wear a magnetic ring or other jewelry. It is magnet therapy.
No.
Which form of therapy acts on the subtle anatomy of the body described as Qi in Chinese or in Japanese? It is Shaistu. Which Japanese form of healing involves the transfer of energy from the practitioner to the patient by laying hands to enhance the body's natural ability to heal itself through the balancing of energy? It is Reiki. Question number 5. Which form of exercise founded in Germany and popular among dancers and performers is performed lying down on a machine fitted with spring? ये है Pilates. Which method of treatment uses flower, extract and pleasant smelling botanical oils such as rose, lemon, lavender and peppermint? It is aromatherapy. Which therapy is based on the theory that the improper alignment of the vertebrae and the spinal cord is the cause of diseases and disorders? ये है
And I Pilates.
Chiropractic. Number 8. This form of therapy uses the sensitivity of the body to identity colors and correct any imbalance in this body's internal energy patterns. So name this therapy. It is color therapy. Which form of yoga is based on the principle of controlled breathing? It is pranayama. Where is it? Pranayama.
Keep in my day. Otherwise, I
So everyone, the chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 18. Chapter number 18, metal story. Here are a few questions on metals. Choose your answers from the option given in the help box. The name of which metal comes from the word meaning yellow? Gold. Which metal has the highest node electrical conductivity of all metals? Silver. Number 3. Which is the most abundant metallic element in the Earth's crust? Average quantity of which element in the human body is about 4.5 grams, of which approximately 65% is in the form of hemoglobin. Iron. Question number 5. The Spaniards called this metal platina del Pinto because of its resemblance to silver. Platinum. Which metal was called the metal of Cyprus by the Romans? Answer number 6 is copper. Seven. Which bluish white metal is believed to be the oldest of metals by alchemists? Number 7 is tin. Zinc. Calcium. Copper, calcium, iron, gold, aluminium, silver, platinum. Oldest of metals by alchemist. Zinc. Number 8. Which is the most abundant metallic element in the human body? Calcium. So everyone, the chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 90. Making life easier. Today's conveniences some from great inventions of the past. There are many inventions that have made our life easier. Let's discuss some of the inventions. Fill in the blanks. 1. Dash is an invention we have all used to hold clothes together, and it was invented by Walter Hunt in 1849. It is safety pin. The dash was a significant office device designed by Christopher Langham Sholes and his colleagues Carlos Gideon and Samuel Soule in 1866. It is typewriter. 3. Dash were known as separable fasteners and were invented by Gideon Steinbach in 1970. It is zippers. Number 4. Dash were an invention credited to John Walker that gave us the power of fire in 1827. It is matchstick. Dash came in 8 different colors when they were released in 1903. They were invented by two cousins, Edwin Biney and C. Harold Smith. So answer is crayons. The Philips Company of Netherlands released the first Dash in 1962 cassette. John G. Loud was the first man to file a patent for a Dash, which was later improved on by Laszlo Biro. Answer number 7 is ballpoint pen. The Dash is an invention by William Carrier that made summer a lot more tolerable. So it is air conditioner. Dash is a multi-purpose product for office and home use that Richard Drew invented in the 1920s. It is cellophane tape.
On one when the models of tempo.
So students, all chapter of this unit are completed here. I hope you all are very well understand and enjoyed these all our chapters. So we will meet you the next class. Thank you.